Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your ClickUp account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your ClickUp account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in clickup.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of ClickUp account. Click on Sign Up option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your full name, your email address and choose a password for your ClickUp account, then tap on Play with ClickUp option. Tap on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. A verification code will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Enter a confirmation code sent to your email address and tap on Verify. This is how you can sign up for your ClickUp account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.